Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk
To 'em.
where we dive into tech that's changing the world and things might get a little bit heated.
Yes, it
I'm
will.
Angel.
And I'm Mateo. Today, we're going to talk about something controversial. Technology focused on gender equality. Sustainable Development Goal number 5. Very interesting indeed. SDG 5 aims to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. This technology we'll be discussing today is called Gender Equality AI, also known as GEAI. GEAI helps detect gender bias at work by monitoring areas like communication, hiring, and promotions in real time. But, like any new tech, opinions will differ. That's why we will talk today. Talk to.
To really break it down, we've got an incredible panel of experts. But first, let's get a real world perspective. We went out into the streets earlier to find an unbiased opinion. Let's see what this person had to say.
Honestly, AI helping with gender bias sounds useful, especially for those companies that have trouble with it. I'm not sure if we should rely on tech for something like this. People should still make decisions, right? It is an interesting idea, but it all depends on how it's used.
Thanks, random bystander. And now we're going to hear from our panel of experts. Elsa, who has been working with gender equality and AI, will have the word.
Thanks, Mateo. First, it's important to understand why SDG 5 matters so much. It is one of the 17 sustainable goals set by the United Nations, and it is focused on achieving gender equality and empowering all women and girls by 2030. Gender inequality affects every aspect of life, from education to work opportunities, and tackling it is crucial for building a more fair and just society. Technology like GEAI plays a key role in this because it can help identify and reduce gender biases, especially in the workplace, where unequal treatment still holds back progress for women. For example, GEAI can analyze job promotion data and detect if men are being promoted more often than women with similar qualifications. It can also highlight if certain departments consistently favor one gender over the other. This kind of immediate feedback allows companies to intervene and correct patterns of bias before they cause significant damage.
But some worry that AI itself can be biased. Charlie, you have a strong opinion on that, right?
Definitely, Angel. The problem is AI can reflect the biases presented in the data it's trained on. So if the data is biased, GEAI could end up reinforcing those same biases. But if its historical data favors men over women in leadership roles, GEAI could unintentionally continue that trend.
That's a valid concern, Charlie, but the key is in how we design the AI. If we train GEAI with diverse and inclusive data, it can help minimize biases, not worsen them. It's not about letting AI make all decisions, but using it as a tool to help us spot and address biases that we might otherwise overlook. The goal is to support SDG 5 by using these tools to break down the barriers holding women back in the workplace.
SDG 5 is all about gender equality, and technologies like GEAI can show companies where they're falling short. So, Alana, I really want to know, what's your point of view on this? Do you have anything to say?
Yes, I agree with Elsa. GEAI can reveal patterns that we don't easily see, but it's still up to companies to act on that information. AI can show us where the problems are, but human decisions are still essential to create a real change.
So, Sofia, do you think AI is just an extra tool? Or are we relying on it too much?
I'm worried we might start to rely too much on AI. AI can't replace human judgment or empathy. And if we depend too much, we might miss the deeper cultural changes that need to happen. AI can teach people to care about gender equality. It's a tool, not a solution in itself.
You're right. There's a human side to this too. Camila, what about the issue of privacy and security?
That's a major concern for me. GEAI monitors communications, hiring, prices, and promotions. Basically, tracking everything happening in the workplace. This raises serious privacy questions. Are we comfortable sacrificing privacy for the sake of gender equality? There needs to be a balance between using this technology and protecting individuals' rights.
So that definitely complicates things. So, guys, let's wrap this up because we don't have a lot of time left. So in one sentence, what do you think of GEI? Is it progressive or is it just a bit too risky?
It's progress as long as we use it wisely.
It's a useful tool, but it's just a part of the solution.
We need to be careful. Privacy is a big issue here.
It distracts from the real, people-driven work we need.
It's risky. There's no guarantees it will make things worse.
Definitely, GEAI has potential, but we need to be cautious. It's up to us to decide how far we use it and how we use it.
All right, and that's enough time. That's been today's episode of Talk to 'em. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and we'll see you next time.
Just talk to him for a minute. Hey, just talk to him.